Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use latest emojis in Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to use emojis in your Snapchat, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app, and here just tap on this chat section and just select the person with which you want to send chats. So for example, I'm going to select this one here. Now here you'll get emojis. Just tap on this emoji option and you'll get different emojis Snapchat featured. So you can get latest emojis by updating your Snapchat app. So open your app store or play store here, go for search and simply search for Snapchat, and you just have to try to update your app to get latest emojis in Snapchat. Or you can also use your keyboard emojis here. If you wanna use your keyboard emoji, just open your keyboard and here just tap on this emoji option and you'll get all of the emojis in your keyboard. You just have to select the emoji which you want to send. Let's say I'm going to select some emojis. So once I've selected the emojis, just tap on the share option and the emojis will be sent. So in this way, you can easily use emojis in Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.